Welcome to yet another video of Python basics on Pydroid3 with your boy Melusi Makola. So a lot of people have been asking me to show them how to download Pydroid3. That's why I decided to make this video. First of all, what you need to do is locate your Play Store, or depending on the phone that you're using, you can the Hawaii Store. With iOS, the Apple Store, iStore. It's the iStore, right? I don't know. I use a Samsung, so I don't know. You go to wherever your store is. You find your store. You click on your store. And once you found your store, you can then search for Pydroid. Pydroid, excuse my typing. Pydroid. Once you've searched for Pydroid, you will receive the output, and this is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is Pydroid. I uninstalled the mine so I could download it again on the video so that I can let you guys know, so I can show you, So Pydroid is not generally limited to what I've been doing on the channel. It can do way more than that, as you can see. So once you've checked it out, verify that it is indeed the Pydroid that we were talking about, you can then proceed to install it. Over 5 million downloads. The reason I actually like Pydroid is kind of because when I started out learning how to code, I actually learned using Pydroid. So I'm very familiar with it. As you can see, you can use modules like Tinkernet, Pygame, and Pygame is used for building games for all you guys who want to be game developers. Everything starts small. So as long as you do this continuously and you put in the work and the effort, I promise you, you will see the outcome. So it's downloading. We'll open it up once it's done. I'm sure there are a lot of other apps that can do the same thing Pydroid3 does. I personally just like Pydroid3 because I feel like it would be more accessible to a lot of people, which is my goal here. I'm hoping I can reach as many people as possible so that they can also learn how to code and maybe, who knows, build a career, because you never really know. Come on, Pydroid3. I didn't necessarily want this video to be a long one, so Pydroid3 is actually kind of doing the most right now. Let's go. I should add some music, right? I got some advice from people watching the channel. They're like, yo, bro, get some music, just to lighten up the mood. I'm working on that. The content I'm going to be releasing is going to be amazing, ladies and gentlemen. You see, here's another one, PY coding. I don't really know what it is. But you research, you go deep, and you understand, you choose what is right for you. Who knows, this could be even better than Pydroid. But I'm going to use Pydroid for now because I understand it better. I hope I'm making sense. That seems fascinating. Plus it has over 1 million downloads and it's for beginners. So just do your research, look around. Done. There we go. Open up, Pydroid. Installing Python. You see, this is the process. I'm glad I actually did this. You guys were right. This was necessary. This was necessary. Continue. I really don't know why I'm continuing, but I've continued. Creating your Python IDE. Your personalized ID is ready. Unlock features. Okay, it has a premium subscription. So if you want more features, you could. Okay, no, I ain't finna. Yeah, man. Nah. I was subscribing. Hey, but currently for what I need Pydroid for, it is working perfectly. But if you need to do more with Pydroid, you can subscribe. You can subscribe. Almost there. Let's go. Should I like cut the video? Nah, nah, nah. I should just like, keep it going. Keep it authentic. 120. There we go. Let's write a quick, fast program, Yana, so that we could see if it will run. Okay. Hello world. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. It works. Hello world. Stay tuned to the series, and we will do more. Shut up.